Go to your spot. Your food's up here, honey. Come on. Good boy. Good morning. Good morning. Other side. There you go. Well, we had some rain overnight, but none of that serious stuff here. It feels pretty nice out here. It's going to really cool off for the weekend. We're going to be in the 70s on Saturday. Really nice weather for Mother's Day weekend. Let's see what the rain gauge says. I'm suspecting not a lot. About 0.2. Something like that. Yep, about 0.2, maybe just a little shy. I am headed to meet Michelle this morning. Did you know that this was a butterfly Japanese maple? I don't know why in particular they call it that, but that's what that one is. Still didn't figure out what this one is. This one's a coral bark that's not quite as red as it might be if it got a little more sun, but you can see the red up in there. Harp string. It's a memory test this morning. Don swapped the power packs. Darth Vader's up, BB-8 is down, so we'd have to pull a power pack from another inflatable to get BB-8 going again. But as we suspected, it was the power pack. I have some fidget devices printing this morning. It's possible they're done. Yeah, resume. I actually think it's done, but I'll go. It detected spaghetti. I don't know, it's possible it messed up doing 4 of them. You see the little wisp in here? I hope they're not messed up. The AI is designed to detect spaghetti. I mean, there was a wisp, so it's not quite done. It's not telling me how long is left. I thought it was mostly just the pattern on this thing. The AI is thinking it's spaghetti. Let's let it finish. It was pretty close. Hey, sweetie. Good morning, Panther. Good morning. Hi. Hi. Well, Don did a good job yesterday of clearing up again around the gnome home. Of course, we'd like to clean up more out there, but another day. I pulled a few fronds away from the door. I mean, pulled a fern out of the ground. I just snapped off a couple so we could, you know, it's nice that there's ferns down there, but not totally covering it. Huh, Stripe was walking down the side over there and then he cut into the creek. Doing his morning walkabout. The canna lilies are really doing their thing now. I still didn't remember to look yesterday to make sure they weren't being suffocated. Oh, I just saw the black-capped chickadee go into the bluebird box. Somebody didn't get the memo. Well, it was just sitting there empty, right? I mean, he might as well have used it. I hear the babies too. Very faint. There you are. Hey there, sweetheart. Good morning. How are you? Hi. Good girl. Should be a nice cozy day with Johnny. We are expecting it to rain again. But I just told Don to get dressed and let's get out of here for our walk because it's not raining right now. I like it. He's doing his balance beam on the seam. Oh no, Barbie got left behind.
Barbie got left behind.
Aww.
We're gonna recycle her.
When Don and I came back home last night, we did come through this intersection and oh my God, the stuff sticking up, the bumpiness, it really was horrible. I am not coming through that, coming or going today. There's just no possible way. It looks like they're setting up to work. They're closing down the intersection to the flaggers.
Yeah, they just got off to a slow start, I guess.
Yeah, I thought it was going to rain some more, but maybe not. Here's a nice red Y waiting for their turn. Yeah, leaving the park, the construction's not a problem because it's right turns away from the intersection, but it's going past the park that's the issue. And today it's not so much about backup or waiting, it's about the obstacles in the road. I wouldn't want to fly through there at night and not know about what's going on over there. Somebody having some suspension damage.
Yeah.
Complete, no problems. It was just that little wisp off to the side. They look great. They're fidget spinner things, the 3 things. It'll break apart so they spin but don't come apart. Yeah, they really are great, and they do move just fine. They snap apart without coming apart. It's called print in place when it's got movement, like it breaks away, but it stays together. Way cool.
Hey, what you got there?
I have my Cat Wars shirt that I saved for Star Wars Shopping Day with Michelle by George Tuna and John Scratch.
And what, catnip be with you or something?
Yeah, what does it say?
It says, may the cat
Nip be with you.
What
do you think, nighttime?
That's great.
Good morning. How are you? Loud bus. What do we have today?
Alcifer, the shirt I got last week before that.
Yeah, and what's the purse?
No face from the company, like from Spirited Away.
Okay. Way cool.
So happy early birthday.
Oh, thank you.
And I got your stuff in the car.
You do. You're not allowed to give it to me early.
Yes, that's on a Monday.
Okay.
Because I won't see you until Thursday.
Right. Hey, hey.
Yeah.
That is pretty wild. I feel like it should be red or something in an amusement park. Friends, they help you make nonsense of the world. Hi.
Perfect for baby.
Yeah, that has to be the cutest little baby shower or welcome baby wreath ever. You know, this bathroom one and some of these others, they make me feel like I need a spot in the house where I bring it home and I'm just going to enjoy it for a month or two and then I bring it back and I get the next one. But it never just quite works that way. Oh, I like the solar system. Can I have it, please?
We didn't want anything big today.
Yeah, but the kids should be used to going home and sitting on the way from school to the house with things in their lap, right? That's what kids are for.
Shelves and bookshelves.
Yeah, whatever it takes. Michelle and I are waiting for a snake to pop out of this. These are Corel, and they have like a scrolly thing over in the corner, $1.99, and they have the little ones too. I don't want them, but they're pretty nice. You gotta catch them all while you're singing it all. 8675309. Yeah, it's that kind of a day in here today. Are you feeling that today? It says I can't. My kid has practice a game or something.
Something comes up.
Something. So pretty. That's really pretty too. Happy Mother's Day. You're going to the Curiosities and Oddities show at the fairgrounds?
Yep.
And who else?
Joe Bob Briggs in the evening.
Okay.
Host a horror show
Thing. Okay. Well, have fun. I love you, girl. Happy Mother's Day. Bye.
Bye.
Well, because I have the worst luck ever with ants, I apparently got bit on my right foot while walking across the parking lot. It's between a couple of my toes. It doesn't feel good. not nice. And no, I don't have my sneakers on. I have on sandals because it's summertime, and if you don't see me wearing sandals a lot this year, you'll know why. All right, here's my goodie bag from Michelle. I guess I could wait till my birthday, but I don't think she expected me to wait till my birthday. Oh my goodness. First off, there's a big box. Oh, it's a Lego looking dude. And a diamond sort of looking dude. Oh wow, check that out. And the ribbon anonymous says just for you. Very cool. I like it. Very cool. And wow, there's a bag of a lot of little, oh my God, it's wrapping paper with black kitties. There's black kitty wrapping paper. And this is a Harry Potter looking Lego guy. I bet there's a story here, like Connor, with spare Lego parts. Connor's passing all of his spare Lego parts on to me now, and she just reused the Lego bag. So cool. Okay, I get it. Well, I don't know that I have. Oh, with the papers, the little black kitty is so cute. I don't think I want to mess up the paper. Normally I would like just open it already, but I don't know. The black kitty is very cool. She was very upset with her guy up at the mall. She went up there to pick something up from him for me, and he wasn't at the mall on the day that she went, and you knew she was coming. She was a little upset. Oh, we're on a black cat theme. Well, that's like me and her mermaids, right? So, and she has. She put a few quarters in here because she's very particular about no purses without it's bad luck if you give somebody a purse and you don't put some money in it. Oh, and it's a little, what? Black cat dangle. Very cute. Well, there's a bunch more in here. I won't open all of it while you watch, but I'll give you the highlights afterward. Oh, there are a lot of the Series 26 minifigures. These are all astronaut themed, and the little flashlights, the little space people, and a really pretty pendant. That's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And Minecraft. I have another very special package to open today, direct from Scotland. I'm savoring every last second because I know this is a special homemade gift, and I'm super excited. Oh my goodness, it's a kitty cat. It's just the most gorgeous thing ever. It reminds me of a combination of, Marty and Morris, and it's just so cute. Our friend Linda has hand sewn this, and I cannot believe the skill at which she does the clothing and all these extra touches of even the bottom of the feet have the fabric, and wow. Oh, bloomers. There's bloomers. I had to look. I love it. And the tail. Oh my God. The cutest ever, and such skill, and of course, love and affection and friendship, and yeah, that's awesome. Thank you so much. All right, there it is. I added stuff. Of course I added stuff. I have stuff to add, so I added it. The only thing I would change is this is clear, the light on all of my other lampposts in my city, so I think the gold looks good, but I've got clear. I need clear. I added a little supposed to be a bee hive up top down there, and the flowers and the doggy and the chest and the carrots, and there is a bee's nest up here too, though. Anyway, I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. Of course, this is the side that goes up against the building next door, so you don't really care about that, and so is this, by the way. So if I put it, a building on this side and a building on this side, this probably has to get pointed up more. But for now it's good. You like it nighttime? Nighttime. Hi. Oh, that's my good girl.
Well, you win some, you lose some. I soldered in the MOSFETs. They're very difficult, obviously. These surface mounted things are extremely small, and my eyes are really old. But unfortunately, the symptom is the same. The little screen doesn't light up. The LED is the only thing that comes on. So at this point, I guess I'm gonna say uncle, you know, and maybe next time we can get it to work. The next one. A lot of batteries over there. I don't know. I'll try to think of something. I decided to hook up 5 volts to it, and it, you know, it looks like it works, but I don't know. I'll have to decide what I want to try to do here. Well, the 12 volts works. The display reads 70%. Unfortunately, the AC does not work, which is a real bummer. I'm powering it with 5 volts from my bench power supply. So I guess the USB does work. It's charging that little light there. I don't know. Not much we can do without. I mean, the 12 volts would be pretty cool, but I got to be able to charge it somehow. And when I plugged in the little power supply, it didn't seem to. Do much. I mean, the other one throbs. The little light goes up and down. But this one doesn't seem to do that. So it's kind of hard to figure it out. I mean, basically, it's just not working. So I'm not going to leave it in the garage. I'm going to go set it out at the carport because I don't trust it. I mean, when it was sitting in the bench disconnected, that's one thing, but now it's all connected up now. And yeah, I'll have to think about it. Maybe there's some way to salvage the batteries in there because it's got some really nice batteries in it.